Let's now take one more sutram which prescribes the affix up optionally, and this one is 3364. It's a very simple sutram. It says now gdndpठस swanaha. Anuvritti of va, of course, is coming down from 3362. Anuvritti of up is coming down from rud or up from 3357. That runs all the way down to 3387. Right now we have 3364, and the sutram simply says that the affix up is optionally used following the verbal root gada, which is gada vyaktayam vachi in the bhvadiganaha, or nad, which is another avyakte shabde, the bhvadiganaha, or patha, which is patha vyaktayam vachi bhvadiganaha, or swan, which is swana shabde bhvadiganaha. But the condition here is that any one of these verbal roots is preceded by the upasargaha ni. So this sutram only applies if the verbal root is preceded by ni, the upasargaha ni. And then the usual anuvritti of 3, 3, 18, 19 coming down, bhave, as well as akartri chakarake sanyayam. So its affix is used to denote either the sense of the verbal root as having attained to a completed state, which is bhave, or any karaka except the agent of the action, provided the word so derived is a proper name, which is from 3319 akartri chakarake sanyayam. And of course, when we don't use this affix up, the optional up, then we go back and use the default as per 331819. The vritti of this sutram simply says apvasyat. Very straightforward. And example here, let's take ninadanam, ninadaha, athava ninadaha, derived from the verbal root nad, which is another avyakte shabde, the bhvadiganaha, and we have to have the upasargaha ni for this sutram to apply. So up pakshe, when we use the affix up, derivation is very straightforward. Remove the letter pakaraha, halantyam tasya lopaha, and we get ni na da as a pradipradikam, gets the pradipradika sanya by krit tadita samasascha. Then ghai pakshe, we add the affix ghai. So here it is used bhave, 3318 bhave. The affix is being used bhave here. And now we remove the letters nyakarasit sanya by halantyam, ghakarasit sanya by lashakva tadite tasya lopaha, and then we apply ata upadhayaha. Ata upadhayaha to do the vriddhya adesha in place of the upadhakaraha. The akaraha in nad takes a vriddhya adesha because this affix ghai is a nyat. That allows us to use 72116, and we get the pradipadikam ninada. So this is how we get these two forms, ninadaha and ninadaha. The important thing here is that this sutram only applies if we have the upasargaha ni. One more small note here is that we already have encountered this verbal root swan in 3362, svanahasorva. So that sutram also prescribed the optional affix up when there is no upasargaha present. So in the case of swan, the affix up applies optionally by 3362 when there is no upasargaha present, and now by 3364 when the upasargaha ni is present. So this swan appears in both 3362 as well as 3364.